to kind of help you celebrate the opening of this wonderful room for the children. And on behalf of the Chamber Board and the staff and our ambassadors and our members, just congratulations. And if there's anything at all we can do, for anything at all, please let us know. And I'd like to present this to you, Commissioner.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. I'm Meg Greer, and I'm the former president of the board of the Kendall County Child Services Board, and Audra Miller is our current president, and we're so pleased to be here today. This all started because the folks in victim services, where's Fran, were very concerned about our children and what kind of experience they would have in testifying in court and even being interviewed. It's very intimidating for adults, let alone for children. So through the process of working with her and our wonderful Don Ali, our county attorney, we put together some ideas and went to Commissioner's Court, and especially with working with Gene Merchant, who is the technology guy. He took the bull by the horns and really solved a lot of problems so that we could do this very economically for the county. It didn't cost any taxpayer money, and so we're real pleased with that. So I'd like to turn it over to Commissioner Merchant so he can tell how this works.
Thank you, Meg. We were first approached over 2 years ago, I would say, about the need for a child-safe room. And like Meg said, it's very intimidating for a child to be placed before a jury and a judge and all that technical looking surrounding. So it was brought to us that how neat it would be if we just had a safe room where a child could sit in a pleasant environment that was familiar with them and still be interviewed by a judge or an attorney and answer some questions without feeling like they were under pressure of the judicial system, so to speak. So we started investigating, talked to some other counties that have done similar things, and we found out that what we wanted to do was quite expensive. So we started figuring out how to do that, and we discovered that there were funds available in the court funds where people file suits. There's a certain amount of that filing fee that goes to a fund that's available for technology upgrades for the court system. So, and our attorney assured us that those funds would be legal for some system like this, so we were able to purchase this system with those funds that are paid for by just people filing suits, didn't come from taxes. The Child Protective Services people furnished the room. They selected the colors. We actually had our people paint the walls, but this is their selection. They did the carpet, the little furniture you see, the toys, and whatever we have back there to make it comfortable for children. And what this system does, and we'll try to get it up here a little while after you all socialize a little bit and see if we can run a little demonstration to it. But what it does, it's a closed circuit in-house video system that goes between here and the district courtroom. And this camera here can be controlled by the judge on the bench as he sits down there, and it films the child up here. You can ask questions of the child. You can zoom in on the child, zoom back, do other witnesses, and the child appears on a screen similar to this in the courtroom down there, as if they were actually there. But the child up here has no idea that they are being viewed down there, but they answer questions in a comfortable atmosphere. So That's the simplification of it. And of course, you can control the camera up here too. And so it's a very identical system to this in the district courtroom, except they got a 70-inch television and this is a 50-something or another. So that, in essence, is the system, and that's the purpose of it. And we were very happy, and speaking for the Commissioners Court, that we were able to find funds for it and get this important thing done for our citizens.
I have a question. Does the child see the judge in the screen?
No.
Do they see anything in the screen?
They can see themselves, or you can turn it off.
Oh, okay. Someone is here asking the questions. It's not coming.
They can be here, or the judge can ask the questions, and if they choose, depending on the child, the judge can have his picture here like he was talking to them through the television. Or I think in most cases they tell me actually an attorney or somebody is with the child in the room and they do the questioning. So, and they just view it in the courtroom. So it has many possibilities. You can, like I say, you can control the cameras and all the audio systems from up here, or the judge can control them from the courtroom, from the bench down there. So, any other questions? No?
Okay.
No. You want to say a few words?
I
ma'am?
just want to tell the Child Services Board, thank you so very much. And to the commissioners, my boss, Donnelly, this is really a wonderful thing for the county and we should all be very proud. Thank you.
It's a perfect day.